Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your Avalanche AVAX tokens from the Bitrue exchange to your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so let's do this safely and smartly. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Bitrue account with some AVAX in it, a Ledger Nano X device that's fully initialized, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't set up your Ledger yet, pause this video and do that now. It's super easy through the Ledger website. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app and connect your Ledger Nano X using the USB cable. Make sure your device is unlocked and that the Avalanche app is installed on it. You can do this directly in Ledger Live by going to the app catalog and searching for Avalanche. Step 2. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select or create your Avalanche account. This will display your wallet address. Copy this address carefully, as it's the key to your transfer. Now, head over to your Bitrue account. Log in, go to your wallet, and find your AVAX balance. Click on Withdraw next to AVAX. Paste the wallet address you copied from Ledger Live into the withdrawal address field. Double check that it matches exactly to avoid any mistakes. Next, select the Avalanche network. Make sure it's set to the correct one, like the mainnet. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the fees. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal on Bitrue. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Back on your Ledger Nano X, you should see a prompt to approve the transaction. Verify the details on your device and confirm it. This adds an extra layer of security. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes, check your Ledger Live app to see your AVAX balance updated. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your tokens. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage to protect against hacks. Never share your seed phrase, and double-check addresses every time. If you run into any issues, Ledger support is pretty helpful. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides in 2025. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.